Seduction isn't just about looks. It's about engaging all five senses: sight, scent, touch, hearing, and taste. Think of attraction like a full-body experience. The most magnetic people aren't always the best looking. They simply know how to make an unforgettable impression. The way you move, the way you smell, the sound of your voice, all of it plays into how others perceive you. If you master the subtle art of sensory attraction, you'll develop a presence that people can't ignore. It's about creating a feeling, a pull that makes someone want to be closer to you. And today we're breaking it all down step by step. Let's dive into the details. Number 1, highlight the right body parts. Most men assume that women primarily focus on their face, but studies show otherwise. Only 2% of women consider a man's face the most attractive feature. Instead, 2 key body parts stand out: the chest and arms. Your chest is a powerful attraction zone, with 24% of women rating it as their favorite feature. The trick: subtle exposure. Unbuttoning 1 or 2 buttons creates intrigue without looking desperate. If you're at the beach or wearing a fitted shirt, make sure your posture is upright to enhance definition. Your arms rank second, with 19% of women preferring them. But it's not about bulky biceps. It's the triceps that create the most visual impact. Well-fitted sleeves that cut right above the triceps enhance the natural shape of your arms, making them appear more toned. Whether you're wearing a dress shirt or a casual tee, fit matters. Clothes that complement your body without being too tight create a confident, effortless allure. Women notice these subtle details more than you think. Number 2, take up more space. Your body language speaks louder than words. People who take up more space exude confidence and dominance, 2 traits that naturally draw attention. Studies show that expansive movements are linked to higher levels of attraction, while a closed-off posture signals insecurity. Here's how to command space effortlessly. Use your hands when speaking. Expansive gestures make you look more confident and engaging. Sit with purpose. Instead of shrinking into your chair, spread out slightly. Relaxed but not sloppy. Own your walk move with intention. Avoid small, hesitant steps. Stride naturally with your chest slightly forward. Lean back subtly when standing. This makes you appear larger, more self-assured, and in control. The goal is to own your environment. When you move like you belong, people naturally take notice. Confidence is contagious, and when you radiate it through your body language, others can't help but be drawn to you. Number 3, use the right scents. Smell is a powerful trigger for attraction. The right scent can make someone associate you with warmth, comfort, and even desire. Studies show that certain fragrances enhance sexual attraction by activating the brain's pleasure centers. Here are 3 scents that women subconsciously love. Vanilla. Soft and comforting, it creates a sense of warmth and familiarity, perfect for first impressions. Rose oil, a natural aphrodisiac that subtly increases romantic attraction. Sandalwood, a deep woody scent with masculine undertones historically linked to seduction. Instead of overpowering cologne, apply fragrance strategically. A small dab on your wrists and neck works best. The scent should be noticeable only when someone is close, not from across the room. Smell is one of the most memorable senses. If you use the right fragrance, people will think of you even when you're not around. Number 4, eliminate bad odors. A great scent means nothing if it's masked by body odor. Even the best cologne won't cover up bad hygiene. Women pick up on subtle odors far more than men do, making freshness a non-negotiable factor in attraction. Here's how to stay consistently fresh. Scrub your skin daily. Dead skin and sweat accumulate in areas like the back of the neck, behind the ears and underarms. Use deodorant beyond your armpits. The groin, feet, and lower back are often overlooked but prone to odor. Freshen up midday. If you sweat a lot, carry travel-sized wipes or spray deodorants to refresh when needed. Smell isn't just about attraction. It's about leaving a lasting impression. When you always smell fresh, people instinctively feel more comfortable around you. Number 5, enhance your hair and beard. Hair is one of the first things people notice, yet many men neglect it. A well-groomed hairstyle and beard can significantly impact how attractive you appear. Women love soft, touchable hair. If it looks stiff or unkempt, it can be a turnoff. Here's how to upgrade your hair game. Use a leave-in conditioner before bed. It softens hair overnight, making it smooth by morning. Apply a subtle fragrance to your hair or beard. Spraying a small amount of cologne on your brush before styling helps carry your scent. Trim with precision. A well-maintained beard looks intentional, not sloppy. Keep edges sharp and fade gradual. Soft, great-smelling hair invites touch, a subconscious cue for deeper connection. Number 6. Touch her the right way. Touch is one of the most powerful seduction tools. It creates an emotional connection and can physically increase attraction by raising body temperature. But the key is progressive escalation. 1. Start with a firm handshake. Confidence and eye contact set the tone. 2. Casual arm touches. If you're seated next to her, subtle arm-to-arm contact builds closeness. 3. Compliment and touch accessories. Lightly touching her bracelet or earrings while making a comment keeps things natural. 4. The phone trick. When handing her something, let your fingers graze hers, followed by brief eye contact. The secret is pulling back before she does. This builds anticipation, making her want more. Number 7. Use your voice as a seduction weapon. A deep, smooth voice can make anything sound attractive. Studies show that women associate deeper voices with dominance and confidence. To naturally lower your tone, speak from your diaphragm, not your throat. Your stomach should expand when you breathe, not your chest. Slow down rushing makes you seem anxious. A controlled rhythm keeps attention. Pause deliberately. A well-placed silence before answering makes you sound more intriguing. A well-controlled voice commands respect and attraction. Number 8. Make your lips kissable. If she's already attracted, your lips become the final touch. Dry, chapped lips kill the moment. Soft lips invited. Upgrade your lips with these simple tricks. Exfoliate daily. Use a toothbrush to remove dead skin after brushing your teeth. Apply Vaseline before bed. This keeps lips hydrated overnight. When your lips look naturally soft, she'll instinctively want to get closer. Seduction is an art, and like any art, it takes practice. It's not about trying to impress, it's about creating an experience. When you master sight, scent, touch, sound, and taste, attraction becomes effortless. So which of these tips surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful insights on attraction and confidence. Until next time, stay confident, stay magnetic.